Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Intercom for customer messaging strategy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Intercom. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Intercom website. Once the page loads, look for the login option in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your email address associated with your Intercom account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, check your email for a message from Intercom. Open the email and locate the login link provided. Click on the link to continue. You will be redirected back to the Intercom platform. If prompted, enter your password. Once finished, click the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your authentication device. Enter the code provided by your authentication app. After entering the code, click Verify. You should now be logged into your Intercom dashboard. From here, you can start utilizing customer messaging strategies. Explore the features available to maximize your customer interactions. If you encounter any issues, revisit the login page and ensure all details are correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.